So I recently bought this beautiful suede jacket, but it was vintage and needed a good clean. I ended up buying the Suede Renew. After a lot of research, I wanted something that would condition and revive the colour, but I really didn't want something that was going to leave marks or damage the jacket in any way. I am so happy with this. It has done a beautiful job on cleaning this jacket. There are absolutely no marks left over, no residue. It feels wonderful. The colour feels much clearer. Before it had like a dull greyness to it. It feels clean, and also when I bought it, it had a slightly musty smell, and that is gone now. So I thought I would give you a demonstration on some old suede slippers to show you how well it works. So I start off by cleaning it using this tool that I also got on Amazon. So once I've done that, I'm now going to spray this at a good distance, about this much, making sure that I'm not drenching it, I'm just lightly spraying. Then I'm going to leave this to dry. Very important that you do leave it to dry. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to give it one more brush. And this is how it looks. Try and get it in the sun so you can really see it. It just looks much cleaner. I think the colour is more radiant. It feels nice and soft. There are absolutely no spray marks. And if I just get the other shoe to compare it, try and get them side by side. Hopefully you can see the difference. It just looks so much better. So I'm really happy with how this product works. You get a lot of product in the bottle. It does a great job of conditioning the fabric, cleaning it and reviving the colour. You must put something down on the floor unless you want to have an incredibly slippery floor afterwards. But aside from that, I'm really happy with this and I would definitely recommend it.